crazy ride! Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at go! Feel my power! Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. I'm with the Kyosho Classic Fox Beauty. I'm going to put the last coat on her, polish her up real quick. All you need is a couple, that's enough, 3 little sprays, a couple little dabs, wipe it on, get her all slicked up so she'll be easy to clean. Just like that. Now she's slippery as a beauty. Ready to go at the ballpark or wherever she may take me. I'll see you there. I'm just going to hit the bottom with some. Get her all slicked up. See you at the park. Hello guys, Steve here. I'm at the park. Let's give the fox a rip. Holy smokes, my sneakers just got filled to the brim. Ugh. No, there's no wind today. Whew. Oh. Powerful. Let me check the steering on this thing. Am I getting full lock? Yes, I am. Maybe in a grass grinder. Whoa! Oh, that filled it with sand. Oh, my shoes are filled. Woo-hoo! It's a crazy ride! Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at go! go by this mosh pit here. Baseball diamond mosh pit, I call it. Ah! Ugh. Got sand in my mouth. Feel my power! Oh! Oh! I'm gonna fit myself. That's nuts. Yeah. Too bad the dust is flying by me. Oh! Oh, that hurt. I can't jump because I'll hit into that wall. Dang. Jump though. Maybe over here? I don't know. I doubt it. Oh. Smoking the tires on this surface. Can't even get a wheelie going. Hey. Nope. Try it. Nope. Nope. No wheelie. You're loose like a goose. Fox. Oh, out did a wheelie? Holy smokes. Got the power. Oh, almost hit that cone out. I hear the dog bones, all the metal shafts starting to shoot. Dry sand's getting in them. I can't breathe. Oh, wheelie! She hooked up for once and did that. Whew. I can't breathe. Can't breathe, guys. Look at the bottom on it. Oh, God, it's full of dirt. This thing's an old beauty. That's for sure. Maybe there'll be a jump over here in the grass. But I doubt it. On the grass, he pulls up a wheelie. Alright, guys. Woo! That's it for this beast. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a fun one. It's old. Got these Kyosho platform monster truck things. They're really powerful. They got a lot of torque, and that's what makes them fun, because they have a real light chassis. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this Fox run. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna bring it somewhere else. Later guys, leave likes, comments, it helps the channel out. Thanks for watching, I appreciate you all. Later.